Next, let's take a look at form requests. Form requests allow structured data to be collected from clients, but first we need to set up a form. To create a form, go to Settings and Forms. Click on Add Form. From here you can name your form and add the required fields. Each field must have a field name and a field label. Field names must have continuous text, no spaces or underscores allowed. It must be unique and used internally for identifying data, and this is not visible to the client. The field label, on the other hand, is client-facing text and it explains what information is required. You can then also use this toggle to decide whether the data fields are required or optional. There are 5 available field types: text, number, yes, no, date, and drop down, which can be with predefined options. Forms can be created in advance and reused across tasks. Once you have created your form, make sure to press Save. Here's how to add your form request to a task. Open the task and then add your portal request as a form. Again, you can select an individual or leave it for anyone within the organisation with portal access. You can then add a message telling them to complete the form, and then you can select the form from the drop-down or add a new form. Press Save. The client will then see the form in their portal. All required fields must be complete before they can submit. The client can save the form as a draft and return to it later and resume a partially completed form. Once the form is submitted, the form is locked. Submitted values cannot be changed and the client cannot reopen or edit the submission. Now, within the task, you will be able to see who submitted the form. You'll be able to view submitted values for each field, and you'll be able to copy the values for use anywhere else within PracticeFlow or externally, for example, on Excel. Note that these values can be copied individually. There is no bulk export yet.